Alright guys, this is Miss Wilson again. I'm actually going to go over question number 6. So let's go ahead and first start by arranging our data from least to greatest so that we can find the median, lower extreme, upper extreme, quartiles, all the other fun stuff. Alright, so let's start with our lowest number, which is 52. And then 65. We have 66. Then we have 68. Then we have 75, 79, 80, another 80, 81. Then we have 88. We have a 95. Then 97, and last but not least, 100. All right, I'm going to go ahead and change my color. Green, yay! All right, so the first thing it wants to know is what is the interquartile range of this data set? Well, before we can even do that, there's some things that we've got to identify first, like our lower extreme, which is 52. So I'm going to mark that as my lower extreme. Our upper extreme, which is 100. I'm going to mark that as my upper extreme. Okay. I also need to find my median. So I'm going to use a highlighter to do that. So I'm going to cross. Ooh, that's too big. Make my highlighter a little smaller. So I'm going to cross off 52, my 100, 65, 97, 66, 95, 68, 88, 75, 81, 79, 80. Okay, so I got a median of 80. So I'm going to mark that as M for my median. Now I'm going to go ahead and find my lower quartile. So I'm going to go back to my highlighter, pick a different color. So now I'm going to cross off again. So I got 52, 79, 65, 75. In the middle, I have 66 and 68. If I add them up together and divide by 2, I would get 67. Okay. Now I'm going to go on the other side and find my upper quartile. So cross out 80, 100, 81, 97. So now here I have 88 and 95. So if I add 88 plus 95 and divide by 2, I get 91.5. So 91.5 is going to be my upper quartile. So my lower quartile is 67. My upper quartile is 91.5. Okay? All right. In order to find the interquartile range, I have to subtract my upper quartile, which is 91.5, minus my lower quartile, which is 67. If I put that in my calculator, I get 24.5. So 24.5 is my IQ plot. Now I'm going to go ahead and construct a Bosk and Whisker plot to display the averages of the 13 students in Mrs. McNellish class. So let's again look at the data that we received from the data set. So, I'm sorry, our 5-number summary. So our lower extreme is 52. Our upper extreme is 100. Our lower quartile is 67. Our upper quartile is 91.5. And our median is 80. Okay? So now I can go ahead and put this on our Bosk and Whisker plot. So lower quartile 52, which will probably be about here. I'm going to draw a dot. Oh, there it is. My upper quartile is at 100, so I'm going to draw a dot here. If it will let me. There we go. That's a dot. Okay. Our lower quartile is 67, so I'm going to draw a line at about 67. Our upper quartile is about 91.5, so I'm going to draw another line here. My median is here at 80. So now I'm going to go ahead and connect my box. I'm going to go ahead and connect my whiskers. And there you go. There is your box and whisker plot of the averages in Miss McNelish's class. All right, guys.